I'm Nick Chockim in Highland Park, where a typewriter repair shop had to relocate to his living room. Ruben Flores wants to restore his old sign. He had to take it down when he closed the typewriter repair shop his father opened in 1962, so it's been in the family for decades. The new sign is temporary, as Ruben figures out how to grow his business from the home he grew up in himself.
A lot of people say the typewriter business is dead, but I'm happy to say we're very busy with repairs. We fix family heirlooms, typewriters for the movie industry, young musicians, and everyday people like me and you. As soon as one typewriter gets repaired, two more come in. So it's a never-ending story here.
Ruben's story took a turn when the lease at his shop off Figueroa in Highland Park went from $1,600 a month to $5,000. He was able to settle on $3,700 a month, but that was only temporary.
Oh, that's right.
It was only a matter of time before it would go up again, and since the landlord never made any repairs, he decided to leave.
But my dad didn't want to rock the boat. This is why I was really shocked how they didn't give us like a year notice. We could have said, hey, Ruben, we're going to raise the rent to, say, $2,200, but you have a year to get out. That would have been really nice of them to do that, considering we never cost them a nickel in 35 years that we rented here. Well, I'm open 10 to 8 by appointment now.
Ruben worked there his whole life and took over the family business in 2006 when his father passed. A master typewriter mechanic, business was good, but not enough to afford such a massive rent increase, so he built storage in his backyard and moved everything back home. Typewriter repair is labor-intensive, so he chose to maintain the quality of his work rather than work faster.
The best part of working on a typewriter is you can actually see what you're doing, unlike a computer, and you can't see in a board. With a typewriter, you're able to trace where the problem is, make an adjustment, and compensate for wear. But it's more hands-on. It's more like driving a motorcycle.
Time to dust off that old manuscript and get writing.